Hello students, let us come to the third method of algebraic solution of system of given two linear equations, that is cross multiplication method. Now let us first derive the formula or get the format of the cross multiplication form. For this, let us derive this formula or know this formula. This theorem is the system of the two linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, where a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2 has a unique solution, and the solution is x equals to something and y equals to something. Now that something we have to write. If you don't want to remember, what you do is the coefficient of x you write. Now left is BC and BC. So over here you write B1C1 and B2C2. So first you write over here BC minus of BC, and over here down what you will be writing over here is AB minus of AB, the coefficient of xy. So AB minus of AB. Now you write over here 1 2 and 2 1. Here you write 1 2 and 2 1. Therefore the value of the x is b1 c2 minus b2 c1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Again the value of y, let us hide it. So over here we will be writing over here ca minus of ca divided by same denominator ab minus of ab. Now again over here 1 2 2 1 and 1 2 2 1. So let us write it nicely. a1 b2 minus of a2 b1. So the value of y is c1 a2 minus c2 a1 divided by a1 b2 minus of a2 b1. Now the question must have arose why I did not write ac and I wrote ca. Now children, remember this pattern a, b and c and the anti-clockwise direction also. Whenever we take the product of any two terms over here, we will be considering this direction only, AB, BC and CA. I think you understand. If we take in the reverse direction, we have to take the negative sign. So don't think for that. Only you take that if I am taking AB, I will be taking BC, then I will be taking CA. Means anti-clockwise direction AB, BC and CA. Now let us derive this two values. So let us derive the formula. The system of given system of linear equations are a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Now we are going to find or derive the format of the cross multiplication method. But before cross multiplication method, children, we are knowing the elimination method. So we will be solving this by the known method, that is the elimination method. So let us solve it. Let us multiply. Suppose I want to get the value of x first, so I will be multiplying with the coefficient of y. Suppose I want to get the value of y first, I will be multiplying with the value of the coefficient of x. So let us multiply with the coefficient of y. So this will be into b2 and this will be into b1. Let us start. The proof of this derivation will not come in the examination. Just for the sake of your understanding part, I am explaining it. So let us start. Into b2 and into b1. This implies a1 b2 x plus of b1 b2 b1 b2 y plus of b2 c1 ab bc ca. Means whenever you write now, you remember this pattern a, b and c. Whenever you write ab, take care you should write c, then ca and so on. That's why when I repeat in my mind ab, over here bb, over here bc. So this equals to 0 and over here multiply with b1. So we will be getting a2 b1 x plus of b1 b2 y plus of over here b1 c2 equals to 0. Subtraction, these two will be cancelled and we will be getting over here a1 b2 minus a2 b1 x, and this will go that side, or we can write over here b2 c1 minus b1 c2 equals to 0. Now I want to get the value of x. This implies x will be equals to b1 c2 minus of b2 c1 divided by a1 b2 minus of a2 b1. So 1 2 2 1 1 2 2 1 bc bc ab ab. So I think you understand. We have written the values earlier. Now with the value of derivation, with the method of derivation, I have got the value of x. Similarly, let us get the value of y. For y, let us multiply this equation number 1 by a2 and equation number 2 by a1. Implies a1 a2x plus ab. So a2 b1y plus of c1 a2 equals to 0. Children, I keep in mind ab bc ca. Over here I could have written a2 c1, but I have written c1 a2. So make a habit of writing in that pattern. Now second equation, a1 a2x plus of a1 b2y plus of c2 a1 equals to 0. Now subtraction, we will make the x coefficient cancel, x term cancelled. So over here we will be getting a2 b1 minus of a1 b2 y plus c1 a2 minus of c2 a1 equals to 0. Now I have to get the value of y. So y will be equals to c1 a2 minus of c2 a1 divided by a1 b2 minus of a2 b1. What I have done, children, here this sign I have changed, means place of this I have changed, so that this minus sign could be transformed over there. So 1 2 2 1 1 2 2 1. So we got the value of x and y as we have discussed. So the proof completes here. Thus, children, the unique solution for the given system of equations is given as x equals to. Now remember, the coefficient of x was a1 a2. So we will not be writing a1 a2. We will be writing, after means a, it comes b and c. We will be writing bc minus of bc, and denominator we will be writing ab minus of ab. After that 1 2 2 1 1 2 2 1. If you can remember without this trick also, you can do it. And the value of y is, coefficient of y was b, so we will not write b. So we will be writing ca minus of ca divided by the same denominator ab minus of ab, and same 1 2 2 1 1 2 2 1. So the unique value is given as this much. Now this can be written as x divided by something equals to y divided by something equals to 1 divided by something. Now that something, let us write now. So x divided by this one. So bc minus of bc. Coefficient of y was b, so we will not write b, we will write ca minus of ca, and 1 the constant term, so ab minus of ab. Now over here 1 2 2 1 1 2 2 1 1 2 2 1. So this formula we can write this as such. Now if I make it equation 1 2 and this 3, so 1 and 3 implies x equals to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 divided by this one, which is this. From 2 and 3 we will be getting y equals to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 divided by this, which is this one. So this only result we can write like this. Now more elaborately, this format or this form can be written in one more form as. So children, we were discussing the method of cross multiplication. For the given system of the linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, by cross multiplication we derived the result, or we got the value of the variables x and y. That is, we solved the system of the two linear equations by elimination method and got the value of x and y as this one. I also made you understand how to write or how to remember this formula. What you will do is, for writing the value of x, hide it, and then you write over here BC minus of BC in the numerator, and denominator AB minus of AB. You have to understand, you have to remember. Then 1 2 2 1 1 2 2 1. Similarly for y, over here CA minus of CA divided by AB minus of AB, and 1 2 2 1 1 2 2 1. Now this result, as I explained, can be written as x divided by b1 c2 minus of b2 c1 equals to y divided by c1 a2 minus of c2 a1 equals to 1 divided by a1 b2 minus of a2 b1. To get the value of x, we will write over here x equals to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 divided by a1 b2 minus of a2 b1. I explained in the last video, making equation number 1, 2 and 3. From 1 and 3 value of x, from 2 and 3 value of y. I think now you understand. Now this value of x, this equation or this value of x and y can be written in the, or can be represented in the form of diagram as this one. Now this diagram is x, y and 1, and below x we will be writing b1 b2 c1 c2, below y we will be writing c1 c2 a1 a2, and below 1 we will be writing a1 a2 b1 b2. Now again, how to remember this? So for this, what we will do, we will write x, y and 1. Now I will be hiding below, to write below x I will be hiding this. Whatever are the leftover coefficients, we will be writing it. So left is b1 b2 c1 c2, b1 b2 c1 c2 written. Now to write below y, I will be hiding this. So the coefficients left is a1 a2 c1 c2. c1 c2 is already written, so I will be writing a1 a2 only. Now for the constant term, I will be hiding the constant term. So left over is a1 a2 b1 b2. a1 a2 is already written, so I will be writing b1 b2. So how to remember it, I have explained, children. So the method of cross multiplication is, actually we will be making the product of this downward arrow and subtracting the product of this upward arrow. So this will become x divided by b1 c2 minus of b2 c1, this one, equals to y divided by c1 a2 minus c2 a1, this one, equals to 1 divided by a1 b2 minus of a2 b1, this one. So actually this one is this one only, and this one is this one only. So you should understand the concept. Actually, if you try to memorize or learn, it will not be proper. So children, understand the concept and then let us proceed. In the next, I will be writing the steps how to solve a sum by cross multiplication method. So children, now I have written over here the steps of method of cross multiplication. As I have explained, I have written over here, but more clearly we will understand with the help of the examples, but even then pay attention over here. So for the given system of the linear equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, this format, this diagram should be written: x divided by b1 b2 c1 c2, y c1 c2 a1 a2, and 1 a1 a2 b1 b2. We will solve this to get the value of x and y. Now how to solve? I have written the steps over here. Write the given equations in the form of 1 and 2. Taking the help of this diagram, I have made it number 3. Diagram number 3. Numbers with downward arrows are multiplied first, and from this product, the product of the numbers with upward arrows is subtracted. And then we get the term under x, similarly term under y and term under 1. And then from equation 1, 3, equation 2, 3, we get the value of x and y. So finally we find x and y, provided a1 b2 minus of a2 b1 should not be equals to 0, because in this case if the denominator becomes 0, the value of x and y will not be defined. So let us proceed with some examples.